Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths 1. In today's video, we will understand the concept of data handling in terms of mean, mode, and median. So I have taken here 3 examples on this page. Each one will explain mean, mode, and median. And we are discussing this on raw data. Raw data mean actual data. For example, if I'm talking about marks, so what are the marks obtained by the students? If I'm talking about the score made in the game, then what is the score in the game? So this is called raw data, actual data as it is. So first example is here a list of numbers. So these are the marks obtained by the students. So first of all, we will see what is the meaning of mode in the data. So let's see here. So in this one, which is number 1, if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 datas here, right? Which data is repeated? Or if I don't want to use the word data, then I mean to see which number is repeated. So if you see out of these 10 numbers, number 5 is repeated the most. 3 is also repeated, but 3 is repeated only 2 times. But 5 is repeated 5 times. So if I talk about that these are the marks obtained by the students, so I can say 4 students obtained 5 marks. So this is the meaning of mode. The number or the data which occurs most of the time is called mode. So answer for this question will be 5. So there is no working required, but it is just the observation. Now let's see median. What is median? So in second example, which is the score of 5 friends who were playing game. So these are the different scores. When we talk about median, we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So if I rewrite these scores, it will be 60, 80, 120, 160, just a minute, let me write them down in the line. So it will be 60, 80, 120, 160, and last is 250. Now all these data is in the ascending order. How many datas are here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the middle one? This one, which is at the 3rd place. So my median is 120. So whenever we are finding out the median of any data, we arrange the data in the ascending or descending order and then pick up the data which is present in the middle space. Now here I would like to add one thing. Suppose there were 6 friends rather than 5 friends, and the score of the other friend is suppose 260. Now I will have 6 data, so there is no one center, rather there are 2 datas at the center, right? Because in case of even number, now there are 2 datas which are at the center, at the 3rd place and at the 4th place. In that case, what do? You add up these 2 data and then divide it by 2. You get my point? So in case when the data is even number, like here it is the data of 6 friends, so you will not have just one center, you will have 2 data present at the center. You add it up and then you divide it by 2. So this is giving you median. I hope you understood. If you will have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment. Now let's see mean. So we have seen mode, we have seen median, now mean. Mean means average. And how do we find out average? We simply add up the data. I'm adding it up. And then we divide it by the number of data. So how many datas are here? 5. So I will add up and divide it by 5. So let me use the calculator here. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 11 is 22. And then plus 13 is 35. So 35 divided by 5 is what? 7. So your mean is 7. Now the last question, which is range. Range mean the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. This question is a part of this one. So what is the highest number here? 13. And what is the least number here? 2. So the difference between them is 11. So range is 11. So now you know, in case of raw data, how to find out mean, mode, median and range. So in the next video, I will take more example to reinforce this concept, right? And link of the video you will find in the description below. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button. And I'm showing you here the question. If you want to try it out yourself, you can. And in the next video, you can find out the solution of this question. Okay, so